They're probably like, why is it on a different phone?
You're supposed to make it so it's not looking like it's on a different phone.
Because, well, it's kind of hard this way.
Today, says Team you say not a sponsor.
They'll understand.
This is our slime for today. Again, not a sponsor. I'll try.
I just like zoom up.
Oh, I'm getting it.
It's funny.
If you do want to buy this, it comes with more. Just wait with it.
Can you just keep it out as, please?
This slime is like everything.
No.
Can I try? I have to like just squish it. It's like super stretchy. Oh gosh. This slime can be like anything you want it to be. Well, like it's not sticky at all. But it can be sticky if you want it to be. Like you can you can relax your hands, and it can be super sticky. But it's not like really super sticky because you can just go. And sometimes it is. See? And then it can be not super sticky if you just like keep your hands cleansed.
This is going to take forever.
Super stretchy.
Might have to switch.
This slime is super stretchy, super good. And look, they're making a ball. Squirrels, look at that. I'm making a ball.
When I count it, when it's 20 seconds.
Okay. Making a ball.
Second.
See? Made a ball.
Yeah.
Are you ready for it?
How about like 5 minutes?
No!
2 minutes?
No.
And this
1
slime
minute. Fine.
can tear really easily.
Actually,
If you
no.
want it to.
How about 30
It's
seconds?
really hard.
Jamie.
Hey, it's half a minute.
Slime's like everything. Not everything. Slime that is it's like different, but what? It's a thing. Natalie got it for my birthday. Yeah. Unicorn. Yeah. Yeah. Try to make a bubble. Do we need a slime? It's like a brand, I think. It's supposed to be like unicorn poop, but it's more like galaxy slime. Yeah, basically. We're gonna leave it in the comments if you want us to do a video on it. The best time. No, I was gonna make a bubble with that. So
Kind of sound like, do you kind of sound like Jordan sometimes?
No, I don't.
Sometimes.
Okay. So I'm gonna make a bubble with no interruptions. Pop. That went down super fast. And then I popped. Why, slime? Why?
Do you ever feel like the ground
I
is
popped
moving?
it out too.
It always is.
And that's why I had some holes in it. Yeah, that went out super fast. Why do I look like a trophy?
It's been like
Try to get
20 seconds, I think.
You probably look like a trophy because we doesn't to the pool.
Okay, I'll give you 10 more seconds.
Yeah, and my hair's nice.
Because that's when it's 30.
Yeah. Or brush it. I brushed my hair, I didn't wash it. Jamie. You're
Okay,
switch. I'm not brushed on the hole.
It's because it's like down.
You never saw that. I know they're good at making solid. No, they didn't. No one saw it. No, not at all. That's not hard. And I'm not saying for a fact. Dang it. I'm horrible at this bubble here. Can I try? I think that's my ear. I really have the buns. I don't really know how to make a bubble. Like tear it apart somehow, like bubbly. Yeah, they like smack it over. I want to play with it too. Can I show you something? Yes. Jamie, have you ever done an Instagram slime swirl? You like stretch it out. Stretch it out. I can't talk today. Stretch it out. Yeah, stretch it out. I really want to sell these fancy clothes on. I had to because our school walk thingy was school walk thing. Was school walk? Like they something like that. I don't because I know where
people really know where everything is. And Ben will see, because he will be with the class.
That's like perfect.
But when
Perfect.
it's school time,
Oh my gosh.
which is
You guys,
next
I don't know if
next Monday.
I don't know if the camera's picking up how clicky this is, but it is so addictive.
Can I try?
Sure, but I have to do something first. And then like super poppy. I love this slime so much. The slime is like so addicting.
Can I try?
It's like the best slime in the world.
Hi.
So big. He's like a big old blob at the top. He's like a big blob.
I'm making my own little thing.
Hey, it's like a rectangle. It's like a rectangle
And
ball.
then I'm going to roll it. Because look. I'm not done. Because see how it kind of has waves and stuff?
Yeah.
I'll be almost done.
I want to touch it though.
Look, see the texture is already layers. See?
It's like layered.
Look, see?
It's
See the
layered.
little-
I'm just try to. I don't
And
think.
then watch this.
Yeah. I don't think the camera
It's so
picked that up that good. But still so cool. I'm gonna destroy it. I'm gonna destroy it. I'm gonna.
like, I just took a big.
Look at the sound of it. Okay, back to how clicky that is.
I have a song stuck in my head.
I love this
Billie
line.
Eilish or Eilish, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know how people say it.
No,
Because I
that's
say Billie Eilish. People say Billie Eilish.
what is the difference?
Spider on me! There's a
You guys, I love this slime. It's like so clicky,
Be a
so
grown up.
stretchy.
Or at least a big kid.
Kinda.
You can, like some slimes you can't
There's a
hold.
scary one. It was
It
like
like just like
brown
it
and
like
yellow.
seeps
Like
through your fingers.
black and
This
yellow.
you can actually hold.
things.
You can stretch. You can make it. You can make it.
And you can make it a ball.
you can make it into a ball.
Oh, actually it bounces.
Mine isn't bouncing.
Because look, you have to,
Oh, you have to mold it into a ball.
and then,
Boing. Oh, that's a boingy. Bad ball. Keep trying to eat my camera. Keep trying to eat my camera. My ball moved my camera. Like, stuck to my
My ball
hand
was
now.
looking.
slime saying hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Now it's stuck to my arm. You guys, I just put my arm down and like got stuck to my arm.
Ew, it smells weird though. Don't smell it. It smells kind of good.
Hi.
I saw a charger in Ben's room one day.
I'm not afraid to say. Okay, Jamie, your turn.
The rainbow charger? Well, not a rainbow charger, like the
Don't
charger that
film
they
my
put
leg.
like that.
Frozen.
Yeah, he put that thing in his room.
I think we might have to end it. Look, it's frozen.
Thought it was his, I guess. For some reason.
I think
The limit's 10
you'll just hear it
minutes.
now.
Yeah.
It's frozen.
Stuck to my hand.
Well, this is gonna be the end.
Yeah, but it's super addicting. Back in the kitchen.
I want to play.
I recommend this slime so much.
If you make it,
It'll be hard. If you try to recreate this, it'll be like the luckiest person on earth.
if you do, make it like the exact or better.
Yeah. It's so amazing. It'd be better as fluffy slime though.
And do not buy the Jojo Siwa slime because
We've tried that. It doesn't work at all.
yes, the first time without Natalie.
Yeah. Like, I tried it because I'm like a slime specialist.
Did not work.
It did not work.
So, Jojo Siwa, fix it, please.
Please, JoJo. Okay.
Wait, whoever made it should fix it. Because I don't think it was Jojo.
Like, I don't think it was JoJo. I think it was like, okay, Jamie, you have to put it back in now. It's like snot.
Wait.
It's
One
like,
second, I need to say bye. Bye.
bye. Like snot.
And there's more.